Believe it or not, you can actually use bubble wrap to make delicious treats. Very few household items can bring as much joy as a good sheet of bubble wrap. It was initially designed to protect fragile items from bouncing around and getting damaged during shipping. But everyone knows that the true appeal of the bubbly plastic sheets lies in popping them. Whether you enjoy bursting open all the tiny pockets of air or not, chances are that whenever you're done with a piece of bubble wrap, you probably just toss it right into the garbage. What most people don't realize, however, is that bubble wrap can actually have many other uses besides just protecting your fragile goods. Believe it or not, you can even use it to prepare a delicious, edible treat that's great for the whole family. Can you resist the overwhelming urge to pop a sheet of bubble wrap? Let us know in the comments section below. Then don't forget to leave us a like and to subscribe for more. One clever way to reuse your bubble wrap is to line your grocery bags with it. Why waste money on fancy insulated bags when you can just make your own at home? Say goodbye to warm milk and melted ice cream. Even on a hot summer day, your groceries should be a-okay. You can even use it to protect your car during a winter storm. All you have to do is simply place a sheet of bubble wrap over your windshield before the frigid temperatures roll in. This way, when you're ready to use your car again, you won't have to worry about scraping off thick layers of ice from the windshield. Just be careful not to overdo it. The possibilities are nearly endless, and they even extend as far as your kitchen. That's right, bubble wrap is so versatile it can even be used to make edible treats for the whole family. This colorful, caviar-looking dessert is actually jell-o, and to make it yourself, all you'll need is some gelatin, a syringe, and of course, some bubble wrap. The first step in this process is to bring a pot of water to a boil, then add some flavored gelatin and stir, much like you would to make regular jell-o. After the gelatin is mixed into the water entirely, it's time to get out the syringe. You'll only need the barrier end of it for this step, so go ahead and leave the needle off to the side for now. Using the syringe's plunger, carefully fill up the barrel end with as much of the liquid gelatin as you can. Don't pull up on the plunger too quickly though, or you'll risk trapping unwanted air inside the syringe. Once you have the barrel loaded, now it's time to attach the needle end. Make sure to be very careful while doing this. Then, with the needle in place and the gelatin mixture ready for the barrel, carefully insert the point of the needle into each one of the bubbles and slowly fill them up. Make sure to take your time while you're doing this to avoid any accidents. Once you've filled all the air pockets with gelatin, place the sheet of bubble wrap inside the refrigerator and then give it a few hours to solidify. When your dessert is ready to be served, simply pop open the bubbles with your hands to release the jell-o goodness inside. Alternatively, you can use a pair of scissors or even a sharp knife to release the gelatin instead, but make sure to be extremely careful while you're cutting. Now, the final step of the process, eating them. You can fill up a large bowl with colorful jell-o bites for everyone to enjoy, or just grab a sheet of bubble wrap right out of the fridge and pop away. The choice is yours, but either way, the results are guaranteed to be delicious. Who knew that something like bubble wrap could be used in the kitchen? Well, after trying this tasty recipe, you won't believe that you hadn't thought of it sooner. What other uses for bubble wrap can you think of? Let us know in the comments below. Then go ahead and give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more.